My name is Lars Coenen. I'm professor at the Western Norway University of Applied Sciences at the Business School, and we're in a division working on innovation studies. I have a PhD in economic geography from Lund University, and my research interests are around the geography of innovation, and notably around innovation that is addressing grand societal challenges such as climate change and so on. My talk will be about geography of innovation and green transitions. And even though this is a field that has benefited already a lot from perspectives and insights from different disciplines, it is a bit dominated by economic perspectives on innovation and to some extent also on green transitions. And that has led to the fact that we particularly focus, so to say, on the positive outcomes of innovation and green transitions. I think we very much benefit from opening up the conversation with other disciplines, but also with non-academic stakeholders to become more aware of and better understand also the dark sides, the unintended consequences, the negative effects of innovation, green transitions, and the transformations that we are currently witnessing. If we think about things like digitization, there's a lot happening in that field. For example, with regards to, say, the way we organize our banking and our finances. But some groups, like the elderly, might not be, so happy with the rapid changes that are happening in the fields due to digitization. Society is increasingly sort of speeding up. And if we only sort of think of innovation as something positive, we might lose track on those communities, those groups that may feel left behind. So it's important to also be mindful of those voices. And a similar thing you could think about, say, environmental questions. I mean, here in Norway, we have quite an impressive sort of diffusion of electric mobility, electric vehicles, but the shadow side of that is also that a lot of those electric vehicles are particularly bought by the affluent parts of society. And we can see that electric vehicles are, for example, squeezing out investments in and attention for investments in public transport infrastructure. One of the things I became very interested in is sort of how innovation has become sort of a solution looking for a problem, rather than actually an entry point into effective, purposeful problem solving. So yeah, thanks again for this invitation. I really look forward to participating in the Spring Academy. I think the topic that has been picked, transdisciplinary, is really promising, and transdisciplinary only benefits from having many different perspectives and interests in the room. So I hope you join us, and look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.